Watch this Python code shrink. It works perfectly fine, but we're doing the same kind of work over and over again. In the next few minutes, we're going to turn this into something much smaller while keeping the code readable. First, we're creating an empty list and manually adding values to it. This is a perfect use case for a list comprehension. 4 lines just became 1, but we're not done. Now we're taking that new list and looping over it again just to transform each number. That's another list comprehension. And another loop disappears. Now we've got 2 separate comprehensions, but look closely. The first list exists only so that the second list can immediately use it. Do we really need that temporary list? We can combine these 2 operations into one expression. Now Python filters the numbers and transforms them in one pass through the expression. We started with multiple loops, temporary lists, and repeated append calls. Now we have one expression, but here's where we need to be careful. We could put this all in one line, and technically that's perfectly valid Python, but if the expression gets more complicated, forcing everything into one line can make it harder to read. While this version is still concise, but the structure is much easier to see. Let's try another one. We're looking for names that start with the letter A and then converting them to uppercase. Again, the same pattern. Transform what you want, loop over the collection, filter what you don't want. The real lesson isn't turn every loop into a one-liner, it's learning to recognize common patterns. If you are manually creating a list, looping over it, filtering values, and transforming them, Python may have a much more direct way to express what you're trying to do. So the next time you see a Python loop growing into a giant block of code, stop and ask, can this become a comprehension? Can I eliminate this temporary list? Can Python express this operation directly? Because sometimes the best Python refactor is simply watching your code shrink.